Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok filters or effects not working. First of all, restart the TikTok app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and swipe it away. Next you are going to clear app cache in the settings. Go to your profile, click on the three icon button on the top of your screen in the top right. Then click on settings and privacy, scroll down, click on free of space, and then clear cache, clear downloads, and manage your drafts. Next you are going to update the TikTok app by going to the app store, search for TikTok, and make sure you have updated your TikTok app to the latest version. After that, try toggling between different filters effects to force reloading. Safety tip: avoid third-party filters, offers that require you to install unknown apps. Quick fix logout and back end effects sometimes reload properly afterwards. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.